Hey everyone, so this is probably a really familiar view from all my videos because this is where I do all my work and shoot all the videos at. But what does the rest of my work area look like? In this video I'm going to show you because you asked for it and why not? So as you know, this is my work area like I just said, but above my work area is where I keep a lot of my different, like, let's say, wire and stuff to wrap my fingers with and safety glasses, just keeping stuff out of the way. And this brilliant thing that I came up with, which is just basically a switch box so I can use my foot pedal with different tools and just switch between them with one foot pedal, which I made a whole video for on how to do this. And then if we pan over a little bit more, I have extra stuff. And if you look right here, which is right in the way of everything, I have all my jeweler saws and my flex shaft motor. So if we back up a little bit, you can see that I have drawers down here that you'll sometimes see me going through in the videos if I don't cut it out. And they're just full of tools. All different types of tools, mostly hammers and stuff in this one. And finishing bits and stuff like that. And yeah, it's not too organized, but it works. And this one has more materials and some other tools. Basically, I just kind of throw stuff in here until I can't find stuff anymore, and then clean them. And it keeps my desktop at least clean. So if we go even lower, under everything, you'll see that I have a flat lap machine, so I can cut stones and stuff like that. And I keep random chemicals and different style bench pins down here because I use different ones for different sawing. I even have the most basic one. I have different polishing compounds. This is my box of just scrap materials. And you can see there's a ton of it. As you can see, there's some other stuff back there, different tools. And this is where I keep my roller mill. Here's all my doming and my doming block setup, basically. And some WD-40, because that's always really handy when using this. And it helps clean up the table. So you might notice this tube right here that goes to this little fan. And a lot of people ask, how do I ventilate all of the fumes and everything out of my room? Well, if we follow this, it goes down, down there, down here, and back up, over here, and to a fan in the window. And I happen to have the window closed right now because I'm not working on anything. But now that we are over here, you can see I have my lathe and other lathe parts, along with a bunch of sanding sticks, just basically everything I need for the lathe setup. You also might have noticed it's really bright in here. I have these big lights, at least 2 of them, along with a 3rd one. So I can actually see in my room and make sure everything's nice and bright. Also on this table I have some gloves because when using the lathe, a lot of the stuff I'm using is sticky and I don't want to glue my hands together. I have my quad hands holder over here for now. It just depends when I need it and where I put it, but that's where it sits when I'm not using it. And then next to it, I have my 3D printer. And you'll see that more in some upcoming videos because I'm going to be doing some casting videos using the 3D printer to make the stuff I'm casting. For the most part, underneath this table, I just keep all my chemicals from Jack's Chemicals, and then go and get them when I need them. There's different cleaners that's full of water, vinegar, just depending on what chemicals I have at the time and what I just don't need right now. I just keep under here. That's a mini drill press, some boxes of random stuff, and that's all brass on the floor right there. And then I have some empty ammo boxes that I was going to put some tools in that I never did, and some other stuff I need to move around still. And this is where all of the YouTube videos are made. And basically it's just a computer setup with 2 screens. I just finished a video and it's uploading now. So that's why I have time to shoot this, because I can't really do anything right now. I have a normal paper printer in case I need larger patterns. I have a label printer so I can make labels for shipping or for making patterns to cut out that are smaller that I want to be sticky. I have 2 laser engravers up there that I've made a video on. That's basically it. It's just a little desk setup with a computer on it. And my microphone. So if I need to do any voiceover stuff, it's there. Recently I haven't been doing voiceovers. I've just been talking during the video and getting better at that, or cutting out whatever and redoing it. So if we scroll over to the other side of the room, you'll see that I got a bunch of casting stuff set up. Or at least out. So all this casting stuff, this is a vacuum machine, so I can do vacuum casting, and I can take the air out of any type of the investments, because that's really needed. This is a kiln and a controller for it, and both of these were actually given to me along with everything in that box down there for free from a really nice couple that just didn't want to do this anymore. So now I have it and had to figure out how to get all of this set up. So that's why I bought that little red friend over there, which will make it so I don't have to use a torch to melt metal. I also have this steam cleaner right here that I got from a thrift store for, I think it was $6, and it works really well. And then I have a sonic cleaner that also came with all this that I use instead of the old sonic cleaner that you might have seen in past videos. But yeah, that's about it. I will show a better view of the room if I can, to show everything all at once. So yeah, here's just an overview of my entire room and the mess that I deal with. I know this isn't a typical video of mine, but people wanted to see what my work area looked like, so here it is. So yeah, that's about it. I have a pretty basic setup, and if you have any questions about any particular items in the room, leave a comment with a timestamp so I can look back on the video and figure out what you're talking about. Other than that, feel free to leave a thumbs up, comment on the video, and subscribe to my channel for more videos, well, not like this, more jewelry step-by-step videos or how-to videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.